Welcome guys in Efficient Graphic Design channel. Today I will show you how to use the lens flare filter. You can use it to create a movie-like feel or to make sunlights and backlights more realistic. Before we begin in our tutorial, if you don't have the Adobe Photoshop installed in your machine, I placed the link in the description below where you can download the last version of Adobe Photoshop for free. And if you have any problem installing the software, just leave me a comment and I will reply to help you. So let's begin. Let's begin with the image. We go to filter. We choose to convert the image to a smart filter first. And after that, we go to filter another time to render. Like you can see there, we have so many filters, but the one we will choose is lens flare. When we open the window of the filter lens flare, like you can see, we can change the position of the light source. Like you can see, we can change the brightness, the level of the brightness, and it depends, like I see every time, on the kind of image, the colors, if it contains person, if it contains a source of light or not. We can change also. We have here 4 kinds of lens flare we can choose from. We change the form of the lens flare. We can change also the brightness. We can move the position of the lens flare where we want. Can choose this third one, and all these settings, neither the brightness or the kind of the lens flare we will choose, it always depends on the image, on the position we want to make the lens flare. And when we click OK, like you can see, the effect is done. And like you can see, we can make it off and on at any time we want. For that, we make the layer first. We convert it to a smart filter to get this on and off option available. We jump to this image. We will do the same thing. So the first thing, we go to filter. We convert the image to a smart filter first, and we come back to filter. We go to render and we choose lens flare, like you can see. When we choose the lens flare filter, like we did earlier, we can position the lens flare where we want. So in this case, I think I must position it a little at the right, and I will change the brightness a little to make it more bright. And like you can see, the filter is added to the image as an option, which we can make it off and on at any time we want. For that reason, we had made the image smart filter first before applying the filter to get this option to make the filter on and off at any time we want. We have so many filters here under the menu filter, but in today's lesson we was concerned by the lens flare effect, which is very easy to apply and have a great result and a great effect. In the lessons coming up, I will show you the other filters and how we use them. Alright guys, I wish you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to get the tutorials coming up. And if you have any issues, leave a comment and I will reply to help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorials.